Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Linux. So, in order to install Microsoft Edge on Linux we will need two things. The first one is the terminal, and the second one is a browser, because we will need to go into a official Microsoft Edge site, and we will need to download the file that we will use in our installation process. So I will type in Microsoft Edge for Linux. And as you can see, we have two sites. The first one is in Polish, the second one is in English, so maybe I will go into this in English, so I will press on this. And now we have to wait a bit, maybe I will close that. And now we have this site. Browse with Microsoft Edge across all of your devices. So you have Windows, Mac OS, iOS and Android. There is no Linux, but Linux is at the bottom. Microsoft Edge is now available on Linux. Download for Linux and we will download this zip file. So I will press on it. And right now we have our download right here. And we have to wait a bit. It is like 30 seconds, and now we can close that or minimize that, it doesn't really matter. And now we can move to the download section to make it a little bit more comfortable. I will leave that, and as you can see, we have Microsoft Edge table and the version deb file right there. So how can we install that? We have to type in sudo apt install. And it's very important to say that this sudo apt install command works only on Debian and Ubuntu. If you are using different Linux distributions, for example Fedora, you have to use sudo dnf install. If you are using a different than Fedora, Ubuntu or Debian, you have to check on your own what is your default basically installing command that you use for installation. You use for install any other things. So for me it's sudo apt install, and I can type in of course I have to type in right now the dot and slash. So we are writing something that is similar to running a script. So dot slash and Microsoft Edge dot stable and so on. So I can fill that with pressing tab on my keyboard to basically not need to rewrite all these things. So I will press enter. And right now I have to type in my password, and I have to wait for the installation to be finished. So as you can see, unpacking Microsoft Edge. It will take around 1 minute, I think. Not a very long time. So as you can see, it's around 80%, and it is almost at the finish. So now we have two options to run our Microsoft Edge browser. So the first one is basically by typing in Microsoft -Edge in terminal and pressing enter. I made a mistake, yes, here, Microsoft Edge and pressing enter, and we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, now our browser has started. Of course, this is the first launch, so we have to set up everything. So I will set up it with you, so I can accept that. It doesn't really matter. I can close that, accept, and as you can see, my browser is working. So we can close that. And the second way to open our Microsoft Edge is just typing into show apps and press the icon right there. It will also work. As you can see, our browser is also starting. So this is basically two ways you can open that, and this is all in this video. If you know how to install Microsoft Edge right now, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.